friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making pan-fried plantains. So what we need is plantains, oil for cooking. I'll use olive oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil. If you'd like, you can also use butter or coconut oil. And for the seasonings, I'll use salt and paprika, and you can use any seasonings you like. So first, I'm going to peel the plantains. Now once you peel them, let's cut them into slices. So you can cut them any way you'd like. I'll just cut them like this on diagonal. So the thinner the slices, the quicker they'll cook. And now I'm going to heat oil on a frying pan. So traditionally they're deep fried, but there's really no need for deep frying. You can just use as little oil as you want, as long as your pan is non-stick. So I'll just add, some oil to coat the bottom of the pan. And I'm going to add the plantains. And I will season them with salt and paprika. And now toss them. So now they're evenly seasoned, and I'm going to turn the heat on high and wait when the oil starts sizzling. That's when we'll turn the heat down to medium high and then continue cooking them until they're ready. So now the oil is sizzling. It's been about a minute. The pan has been heated. So let's reduce it to medium high, and you can also stir the plantains and flip them over. So continue cooking, stirring every minute or two until they're soft enough to your liking. So now the plantains have been cooking for about 8 minutes and they're ready. Look how good they look, so crispy and nicely browned. And you can always just try one and see if they're cooked enough to your liking, because when they're not ripe, they take longer to cook. So just taste it. If it's not ready, just cook it some more and just keep an eye on them. When they start burning, you can always reduce heat. But these are totally ready, so I'm done cooking them. I'm going to turn off the heat. And let's take plantains off the frying pan. So good. See, I achieved the crispy brown result without even deep frying them. I was just pan frying with a little oil, and they look amazing. Perfect crispy plantains. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love plantains. So see, they're fully cooked, cut so easily. Delicious, perfectly cooked, so full of flavor and so easy to make. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!